Hey guys, come with us as we go to Kawasan Falls. We are walking to Kawasan Falls.
Kawasan Falls, so
Yeah. You cannot really bring your motorbike inside, so you have to leave it on the parking lot. And we have to walk for a couple minutes to get to the falls. Hey guys, we're still walking. We've been walking for 20 minutes and we're not there yet. Go.
20 minutes go by. How?
More than 20 minutes.
Oh, more than.
We're almost there. We're here. This is the first level of Kawasan Falls. There are vendors here, or like stores that sell snacks and souvenirs that you can buy, because going inside you're not allowed to bring food. So yeah, what do you want to get?
Something that you
Something
can
sweet.
getting fully booked.
Bicho-bicho, ubi na
Like kamote cube, that's sweet potato. So when you go to Kawasan, you have to walk to get to Kawasan Falls from the parking, 20 minutes, and then when you go down, it's the same. You have to walk another 20 minutes. So how blue the water is. It's so clear. It's a lot of walking, but it's very fun experience. Not allowed, just a reminder.